Hi guys, I am Suren. This is the fourth video of the series called Learn Math with Suren. Today we are going to learn about fractions. Very well, let's have a look at what is a fraction. We express a quantity by something out of something can be considered as a fraction. Now, let's have a look at how we denote a fraction. As you can see in the screen, there are two parts in a fraction. One something over the other something. Below something we call denominator. Upper something we call numerator. Okay guys, let's not call something something from now on. Now we know mathematical terms for them. Upper part called numerator, lower part called denominator. Here you got some graphics to explain the situation more clearly. With this information, we can make some statement. They are as follows. There are 3 out of 5 apples. There are 2 out of 5 bananas. 5 out of 5 of them are fruits. 1/5 of them is a fruit. Okay, now final thing is quite tricky. Listen carefully. Nothing out of all fruit, 0/5. That means of course there is nothing. Let's have a look at how to name some of fractions. You know by now in Indian and Middle East number system we are taking number 10 as a major landmark. So we are going to learn first when the fraction's denominator is 10. Accordingly, our first fraction is 1/10. Now, here we are turning again back to number line. Let's consider one single unit of the number line. Now, we are dividing it into 10 sub-units. So, our numerator is number 1, which is a 1 sub-unit. As we have divided the unit into 10 sub-units, our denominator is 10. So we call the fraction 1/10. Please have a look at the graphic on the screen. It had depicted the 1/10. Having written 1/10 by 1/10 with a bar in between, this means 1 divided by 10. If you go ahead and divide 1 by 10 using long division, here you can see the answer is 0.1. Here is a hot point. If the denominator have got zeros adjacently, in the end, the decimal point of the numerator moves to left from where it is. When we divide numerator by a denominator, in this case numerator is 1, denominator is 10. 10 has 1 0. Therefore, 1 in the numerator gets 1 decimal place to the left. Here we got 2/10, or we can call 2 by 10. As we discussed in early section, the long division tells us 2 by 7 equal to 0.2. Have a good look on the screen and try to understand the two pictures beside the number line. Above, yellow strip has divided into equal 10 parts. Below, yellow line has divided into equal 5 parts. Now you can see there are two pink boxes. If you look carefully, both sizes of the boxes are same. In another word, 2/10 and 1/5 are same size. We call this equivalent fraction. Here we got 3/10. The long division tells us 3/10 is equal to 0.3. Here you can see pink box inside the yellow strip. It is in size 3 subunits. So it describes 3 out of 10. Here we got 4/10. Please look at the yellow strips. Those pink boxes same in size. This means 4/10 and 2/5 both are same in size. Here again long division tells us 4/10 or 2/5 is equal to 0.4 decimals. Here we got 5/10. In another word, 5/10. Its equivalent fraction is half, 1 second. The long division tells us half is equal to 0.5. Pink boxes in the yellow strips shows both fractions are same in size. Please look at yellow strips carefully. Above yellow strips has divided into 10 units, but the below yellow strip has divided into two parts. Dividing to 10 units give us 5/10. Dividing to 2 units give us 1/2. Here we got 6/10. Its equivalent fraction is 3/5. Here again long division tells us the answer is 0.6. Please look at yellow strips. Two pink boxes tell us are same in sizes. You can compare those sizes with the number line. Here we got 7/10. You can also call this 7/10. Here again long division tells us the answer is 0.7. By looking at the graphic tells us the size of 7/10. Now here we got 8/10. Its equivalent fraction is 4/5. You can see the long division tells us its answer is 0.8. Again look at the yellow strips. Their red boxes tell us the size of each fractions. You can notice that they are same in sizes. Here we got 7/10. You can also call this 7/10. Here again long division tells us the answer is 0.7. By looking at the graphic tells us the size of 7/10. Here again 9/10. The long division tells us the answer is 0.9. Please again look at the yellow strip. Pink box indicates the size of 9/10. Now this is a special situation, 10 out of 10. This is considered as follows. There are 1/10 inside the 10. So you can cancel out and have the final answer is number 1. That means whole 1. In another word, it's not a fraction, it's a complete 1. Okay guys, we have finished consideration of denominator 10. Now we are paying the attention to some of the other special occasions. Here we got quarter. Here you can see yellow strip above the number line have divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. So the 1 out of 4 we call a quarter. Here long division tells us its answer is 0.25. If we are looking into the workout of the fraction, we do a little trick here. We multiply 2.5 and the 10 by 10. So we get 25 in the up and 100 in below. Now both numerator and the denominator divide by 25. There is only one 25 inside a 25 and 4 25s in 100. Here how we got 1 by 4 through our workout. Now this is 3/4. Again, yellow strip has divided into 4 equal parts. Out of those 4 parts, we consider only 3 subunits. Therefore, we call this 3 out of 4. If we check with the number line, 1 subunit equal to 2.5 units in the number line. So the 1 to 2 single unit contain 4 2.5 subunits. In this case, we are going to divide 7.5 by 10. We do a little trick here. Both numerator and the denominator are multiplied by 10. Here we got 75 in the upper part, 100 in the lower part. Now we are divided each from 25. Here we get 3 times 25 in the upper parts, 4 times 25 in the lower parts. Now we have received 3 by 4. Well, here there is something we should pay attention quite sharply. When we do the long division, the division never ends. The number 3 keep repeating forever and ever. We call these kind of division recurring decimals. We denote it by a dot above the number which is going to recur. Therefore, we express this decimal value as follows: 0.13. There is a dot above the 3. Here we come to final fraction of our consideration. It is 1/3. Please be noted representation of the 1/3 in the yellow strip. Here yellow strip has divided into 3 equal parts. The pink box shows one part out of those 3 equal parts. So we have represented 1/3. Here again, when we do the long division, we are facing to the situation where number 3 are recurrent. Again, here is another recurring 3. So we call this 0 point recurring 3. Okay students, we have come to the end of this video. We shall continue rest of the content with another video. If you find useful this video, please don't forget to subscribe or like. If you subscribe this channel, you will get soon as possible when I publish a new video. Also don't forget to share this video as much as you can, so others will be benefited too. You may find these contents are very basic, But please remember, I am going to represent this program from the very beginning. Soon you may find interesting lessons that you always wanted to learn. So, see you with another lesson again. Thank you.